Hey, what's up? It's your girl Henny Red. And you know, I get frustrated sometimes. I know everybody do. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm trying to make it somewhere in life, so I'm not trying to mess up my career in no kind of way, shape, form, or fashion. I'm not going to let these comments that you guys put on these pages, I'm not going to let that be a downfall to what I'm trying to do, because I know all y'all want me to do is bite back. And I see people coming in on my inbox saying stuff like, they can't wait to see where I stay, threatening me and stuff. I got addresses, I can pull up IPs and see what's going on. I can see where you at. You know what I'm saying? I could come to you, really, but I ain't even got time for all of that. I don't got time for all of that. Let me make sure this shit is recording. I don't got time for all of that. So I done came up with a thing where to calm myself down, because I have a real bad attitude, real bad temper. So to calm myself down, what I do is I get in here. I get in my refrigerator. Yeah, it's with my black. And I sit in here. And I just stay in here. And I just cool myself off. Because I get so heated, and I don't want to go out and do anything crazy. So to cool myself off, yes, I'm in a refrigerator. And I stay in here sometimes. It depends on what I see, what comments I see. But just like I said, I'm not going to stop singing. I'm not going to stop making my videos. I'm not going to stop doing nothing until somebody see that I'm serious about what I'm trying to do. I don't got time to go out and, fight girls, fight dudes, gotta watch where I'm walking because of the videos that I'm making. I'm just being me. You should be glad that you know somebody that's keeping it this real with you guys. People doing crazy stuff all day long, but I don't just tell people my business, but to cool off from getting so heated, the stuff in the comments that you guys say, I don't understand why y'all say it. I know I can sing, I just ain't really got out there yet. I know what I could do. I know what God has gave me to do. So to cool myself off, I didn't even see what time it was. I think it was like 12:18 when I got in here. You'll know how long it is when you see how long the video is. But I stay in here for a while. And sometimes I sing to myself, I know some of y'all saying I'm crazy, but I'm not going out killing nobody. I'm not going out doing anything that I don't have no business. This is my way to calm myself down. And I don't know how cold it is in here, what the temperature is on. I don't know if it's what it's on, but I'm in the refrigerator. So I gotta keep my career up, I can't let these comments and people in my own family just down on me, It's crazy, but with the strength of God, and long as my electricity is on and I can fit in this refrigerator, I'ma be cool. I can't get heated just to get heated and go out and do stupid stuff. I'ma be cool. So, it feels good in here. It really does. But, I gotta stay calm. I gotta stay focused. And this is one of my ways. I gotta continue to model for hoodboxoffice.com. That's who I model for. And I have my own site, esexcake.com. But I'm Henny Red. And no, this is not nothing crazy. This is just something that I came up with. And this is, it makes me feel good at the end of the day, because all of the rude comments and negativity. But guess what? You gon' see me. You gon' see me. You gon' see me when I come. Oh, yes, you are. You gon' see me when I come. But I'ma just keep doing my thing. So with or without you, whether you like it or not, hate me or love me, it's kind of getting cold in here. So I'm gonna step out. And you already know who I am. It's your girl, Henny Red, signing out.